We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another. You and I, you and I. Thought I was okay till something in me changed. Don't know why, don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober.
With the QudraKast 9270 pole, it's got really good flexibility and super strong and a wide range of motion. That pole, nice long extension, and this pole is super flexible and really has a great heavy-duty design that it gives it plenty of flexibility and plenty of action for your line.
Thought I'd still be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time, waste of time. Somehow you intruded, lost in your illusions. I was fine, I was fine. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another. You and I, you and I. Thought I lost my way, but you washed out all the gray. Don't know why, don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober.